Well, I thought today was over, but I guess not. I'm on coat number 3 because the other 2 are already soaked. Put my wet pants back on because there was no point. It was pouring rain, so might as well keep my wet pants on instead of running a whole bunch more and getting them wet. So why am I out here when I thought I was done? Well, actually, Carmen, she fell over. Carmen did evening chores, and I was gonna get Charlotte ready for a bath. She came back in the house. She's like, "Is there a big black bird eating a chicken?" Looked out the window. Sure enough, there was a raven had gone into the chicken coop where the layer chicks are, and right into the chicken house, plucked a chick out, and was out in the yard, tore its damn head off, the savage. Anyways, got it, chased away, retrieved the chick. Yeah, sad story. Anyways, gonna go out and revamp that whole chicken run. We've never had a problem with aerial predators, not like that we can recollect anyways. So anyways, we're gonna go bird proof this chicken coop. Well, fingers crossed that keeps the shithawks out for a while. Well, it's now Monday morning. It's cold and wet. Not like cold, but like it's rained for 48 hours straight and I no longer own any dry clothes kind of cold. But I'm gonna head over, feed the chickens here, the big chickens, and then head across the yard. Morning, Tony. Head across the yard and check the Fortress of Chickitude. Make sure the raven hasn't gotten there again. He was flying around this morning. The dogs were chasing him around. So hopefully what we built there yesterday has been... Okay, Tony, it's coming. Hopefully what we built yesterday has been able to keep him out. I'm just heading over to the single mamas here. You can hear they're bellowing away. Looked at Queen. Queen's not bagged up anymore. So I'm thinking probably time to move her down to an independent pasture with the rest of the ewes. Leave Queensborough up here for fattening. Well, I'm over here in the Fortress of Chickitude. These guys are doing great. Just topped up their water over here, got them some feed. And just looking at the grass, you can see in around 12 hours, they've already tired this out. This little area is only, what's a panel, 10 by 10, right? So not a lot of room. You can tell this is pretty intensive to put together. It's going to be intensive to move and intensive to rebuild. So I'm thinking this is a short-term solution. We're going to have to find something that works better, a little bit more mobile. So this story's not over, but the video is. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.